That's right.
Yeah, if you're going to compete on price, you have to beat your competitors on logistics. I think that's a fair
look at Amazon. Obviously, you could argue they've done it right, and in lots of different ways, and we'll talk about them a little bit more too. But the more you can narrow down who your primary customer is, the better you can provide them products and services. But you got to know, you have to know, and your people should know, your employees should know. It's like, well, what type of customer is, and it's harder than it sounds. Like with Tech Restore, when we were doing our overnight repairs for laptops, and we were one of the first in the country to do this, it didn't take long for us to realize that trying to appeal to a cost-conscious customer, that was not the way, right? Because it was expensive to do three-way overnight shipping. Yeah. So we just left that on the ground. It was a premier service, all based on time. And time-conscious customers were who we were focused on. And we invested tons of time, energy, and money into, taking as much time off and maximizing that time as we could with relationships with carriers, with, spending a ton of cash, building a special box that we could put in every van in the U.S. and, doing that distribution. And that paid off because we were going after customers that were time conscious, not cost conscious.
This is fascinating. I thought I had gone through this process with all of our businesses here. And as soon as you started listing traits of customers, it was like, oh my goodness. Like, I won't say the business, although you figure it out. It's fine. We avoid lazy customers. And I never realized that until this moment. And we've tried to work with them, and it's too much hassle because they want us to do all the work for them. Now, that doesn't mean that we want to be lazy and not want to do any of the work, right? No. But we focus on service-focused customers, people that want what we are doing.